Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to cover the last topic of our chapter number 2, that is feeding and digestion in amoeba. Amoeba is a microscopic organism. Microscopic organisms आपके कौन से होते हैं? Those which are not visible with the naked eye, जिन्हें देखने के लिए आपको माइक्रोस्कोप को यूज़ करना पड़ता है. And amoeba is a single celled organism. Single celled मतलब the whole body of amoeba is made up of only a single cell. That is why amoeba is also termed as a unicellular organism. Now the single celled organism has to perform every function itself. फिर वो डाइजेशन हो, एक्सक्रीशन हो, जो भी फंक्शन परफॉर्म होना होगा, दैट हैज़ टू बी परफॉर्म बाय दैट ओनली वन cell. Now this is a small diagram of amoeba. Amoeba does not has any fixed shape. It keeps on changing its shape during locomotion. These outer structure which you can say, these are the pseudopodia, or you can say the false feet of amoeba. With the help of these false feet, the amoeba locomotes. It is able to move from one place to another place with the help of these false feet. It has a cell membrane. Cell membrane होती है, the outer layer which protects the cell is termed as the cell membrane. So amoeba has a cell membrane. It has a dense nucleus and many small bubble like vacuoles. जो आप डॉट डॉट देख रहे हो, these are the vacuoles. तो amoeba is composed of mainly 3 components, namely cell membrane, nucleus and vacuoles. It constantly changes its shape and position. Now digestion in amoeba. Amoeba में जो digestion होता है, here I have drawn some movements of amoeba showing the how the food is intaken and how the waste is removed from the body of amoeba. Now starting from here, amoeba has a food particle near around, then it will change its movement. वो अपना pseudopodia या false feet को move shape change करते करते it will move towards the food particle and try to engulf it. Engulf it मतलब intake करना. वो shape change करके उस food को capture करता है, trap करता है, and धीरे धीरे that food particle reaches the vacuole of the amoeba. आपके वैक्यूल में फूड पार्टिकल पहुंच जाता है, देन आप कह सकते हो कि उसके बाद वहाँ पे डाइजेशन का प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होता है. जो उसमें न्यूट्रिएंट्स थे दैट वाज रिक्वायर्ड बाय अमीबा, वो इनटेक हो जाता है, एंड देन द वेस्ट मटेरियल विच हैज़ बीन प्रोड्यूस या लेफ्ट ओवर वेस्ट हैज़ टू बी रिमूव फ्रॉम द body of amoeba and it is slowly expelled out like the food was intaken. So that process is termed as egestion. तो starting was ingestion, जब food particle को amoeba ने अपना shape change करते हुए engulf किया था. engulf करने के बाद that food particle reached the food vacuole, जहाँ पे digest हुआ, assimilation absorption का process होने के बाद the waste was removed from the body of amoeba. Now the digestion process which I have shown here in diagrammatic form, I have also written it in points. First point, it pushes out finger like projection called pseudopodia. ये जो आपको दिख रहे हैं outer structures, the arms, the false feet, they are termed as the pseudopodia. इसको ये move कर रहा है. Pseudopodia engulfs the food in and gets it stored in food vacuole. उसने क्या किया था, उस food particle को engulf किया था, trap किया था, and that food particle was stored in the food vacuole. Then it secretes digestive juices inside the vacuole that helps in digestion. जैसे कि आपने पढ़ा था ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में स्टमक आपका रिलीज करता था वेरियस डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस टू डाइजेस्ट द फूड. सिमिलरली द फूड वैक्यूल ऑल्सो हैज़ डाइजेस्टिव juices which it secretes to help in the process of digestion. Digestive juices break the food into simpler substance. Undigested leftover food is expelled or thrown out by the vacuole. तो जो भी उसको न्यूट्रिशन चाहिए था that has been absorbed by the amoeba, and the waste which was produced or the leftover particle that was not required by amoeba was expelled out from the vacuole. Now your homework is learn about amoeba and its process of digestion in diagrammatic form. That means आप amoeba के बारे में पढ़ोगे, you'll try to learn out, and जो उसका digestion का process मैंने diagrammatic form में explain किया था यहाँ पे, इसे आप अच्छे से देख लो एंड यू कैन ड्रॉ इट ऑन योर ओन, जिसमें आप दिखा देना कि इंजेक्शन होता है, देन द फूड हैज़ बीन कैप्चर्ड एंड इट मूव्स इनटू द फूड वैक्यूल, वहाँ से डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम्स जूसेस वर्क्स ऑन इट, एसिमिलेशन एब्जॉर्प्शन होने के बाद द वेस्ट दैट इज प्रोड्यूस्ड इन द बॉडी हैज़ बीन रिमूव्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द प्रोसेस कॉल्ड egestion. From Monday onwards we will begin with the written work. Okay, have a nice day.